Hey guys, Blake here at Smoken Products again. Just taking off some baby back ribs. Gonna put them in the flavor saver. We got a couple hours till dinner, so I'm gonna go ahead and put them in here and let them retain the moisture and keep them warm. So you'll see in here I've got a saucepan and I boiled some water for about 10 or 15 minutes, stuck it in here. And the reason I do that is just to heat up the surface area with the hot water versus using the food to heat up the surface area. So again, just put it in there 10 or 15 minutes. Put my tray in here, drop her in. We'll see you guys in a couple hours. Alright guys, Blake here at Smoken Products. So it's almost dinner time. We took the ribs off earlier, so they've been sitting here about 2 hours. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and take these out. And I have 2 racks that are non-spicy, and I have 1 rack I like it a little spicier. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put these 2 trays in here. I'm going to put our cutting board on. I'm going to separate the spicy from the non-spicy. Oh, these look delicious. See all these flies? I'll show you a little secret when it comes to that. So I'm going to pop this off. Slide these guys in here. So those are our non-spicy. These here are our spicy. Again, for sake of time, I'm going to go ahead and pop this up. So again, just for reference, so they're both divided, but they're already there, divided perfectly for us. So once I get this done, when we go to serve, keep the flies out. So it's been sitting here about 2 hours, but look at the steam coming up. We're ready to go.